Best tennis rackets. Are you looking for the best tennis rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best tennis rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3. The Wilson Hyper Hammer has earned its reputation as a trusted favorite among new tennis players for more than 25 years, and it's easy to understand why. This best-selling racket is designed with a lightweight frame that makes swinging feel smooth and natural, even during long practice sessions. Beginners who often struggle with shoulder or elbow discomfort will appreciate how effortless it feels to maneuver. Despite its light build, the Hyper Hammer delivers impressive power, making it simple to generate spin and explore different shot styles as your skills develop. Another standout feature is its overall balance. Many entry-level rackets feel awkward or unstable, but the Hyper Hammer inspires confidence right away, especially on serves. The oversized 110 square inch head provides a generous sweet spot, which is especially helpful for players who are still working on consistency. Off-center hits feel more controlled, and the added surface area makes successful returns and serves easier to execute. What truly sets the latest Hyper Hammer apart, however, is its excellent value. Although it performs like a mid-range racket, it comes at a beginner-friendly price point, making it an appealing choice for anyone looking to get into tennis without overspending. For new players who want reliability, comfort, and room to grow, this racket offers one of the best combinations of performance and affordability on the market. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 8.96 ounces. Head size, 110 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 41/2, 4. Number 2. Babolat Boost S. The Babolat brand has long been recognized as one of the most dependable names in tennis, trusted by players across every skill level, including many professionals. Its reputation for quality and performance makes it a go-to option for those who want a racket that will support their growth on the court. As renowned coach Rick Matchy shared, Babolat is a brand that I always come back to, and the Boost series perfectly demonstrates why. Designed specifically with beginners in mind, the Babolat Boost S delivers all the essentials without unnecessary complexity, giving new players the tools they need to build confidence from the very first swing. The Boost S provides a noticeable boost in power and stability, helping players get more depth and consistency in their returns. Despite weighing just 10 ounces, the racket feels solid through contact, offering a satisfying blend of maneuverability and the strength needed to drive the ball cleanly. This balance makes it especially appealing to beginners who want a racket that grows with them as they refine their technique. Its easy swing speed reduces fatigue, while the controlled feel helps newer players focus on accuracy and smoother rallies. Affordability is another major advantage. Similar to the Wilson Hyper Hammer 5.3, but often even more budget-friendly, the Boost S sits in an ideal price range for newcomers ready to upgrade from an entry-level racket. For players who want quality, comfort, and long-term reliability without overspending, the Babolat Boost S is an outstanding choice. Specs: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.8 ounces. Head size, 102 square in. Grip sizes, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3. Number 3. Wilson Clash 108 V2. Let's address the obvious up front. The Wilson Clash 108 V2 comes with a higher price tag than many beginner rackets. However, for new players who are committed to improving or simply appreciate premium quality, this model delivers unmatched comfort and long-term value. The Clash 108 V2 is widely regarded as one of the most comfortable rackets a beginner can purchase, thanks to its unique frame design that reduces harsh vibration and creates a remarkably smooth feel with every swing. This comfort is paired with impressive responsiveness, giving players a strong blend of power and precision that supports consistent accuracy on the court. The oversized 108 square inch head enhances forgiveness, making it easier to maintain control even when shots aren't perfectly centered. This enlarged sweet spot is especially valuable for beginners still developing reliable mechanics, helping reduce mishits and keeping rallies alive longer. Because of this balance of comfort, accuracy, and stability, the Clash 108 V2 is ideal for players working on all aspects of their game: serves, returns, volleys, and ground strokes. While the price may initially feel steep, it's important to consider the long-term benefits. Unlike many sub-$100 rackets that wear down quickly or fail to offer much room for growth, the Clash 108 V2 is built to last for years of regular play. For beginners serious about improving, investing in a higher quality racket like this can be far more cost-effective than replacing multiple cheaper models over time. Specs: length, 27.25 inches. Weight, 10.48 ounces. Head size, 108 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3, 41/2, 4. Number 4. Head Geo Speed. The Geo Speed is another strong value option from one of the most reliable names in tennis, offering beginners an impressive blend of performance, comfort, and durability. Designed with a spacious hitting surface, this racket gives new players the forgiveness they need as they work on developing clean, consistent contact. The sturdy construction also stands out, providing long-lasting strength that holds up well through frequent practice sessions, an important feature for anyone still perfecting their mechanics. One of the defining characteristics of the Geo Speed is its extended 27.5-inch length. This added reach makes it especially helpful for smaller or younger players who naturally have shorter swings, giving them the leverage to generate more power with less effort. At the same time, the extra length benefits beginners of all sizes by offering improved coverage and making the racket feel slightly more commanding on serves and returns. It's a thoughtful design choice that adds value without complicating the learning process. While no one would confuse this model for a high-end professional racket, that's part of what makes it so appealing. It delivers all the essentials without unnecessary frills, making it perfect for new players who want a dependable, easy-to-use option at an accessible price. It's also a great pick for recreational players who want a backup racket or something casual for weekend hitting sessions. For its price, the Geo Speed offers one of the best feature-to-value ratios in its category. Specs: length, 27.5 inches. Weight, 10.4 ounces. Head size, 105 square in. Grip size, 43/8, 3. Number 5. Wilson Burn 100 ULS V5. The newest Wilson Burn may catch your eye with its sleek, modern design, but its performance is what truly sets it apart for beginners. This racket is an excellent option for players who want a lightweight, smooth-swinging frame that minimizes stress on the joints, an especially important benefit during long practice sessions or extended matches. Its impressive maneuverability and stability make it easier for new players to control their shots and develop proper technique without feeling overwhelmed by a heavier or overly stiff frame. Despite its light weight, the Burn doesn't sacrifice power. Its carbon fiber construction provides a firm, responsive feel that helps generate strong, clean shots with less effort. This stiff build delivers the extra punch beginners often need as they work on producing deeper rallies and more confident returns. The Burn's balanced design places it squarely in the just right category: light but powerful, easy to handle yet supportive. Compared to the other Wilson models featured in this guide, it truly feels like the Goldilocks option for players who want a bit of everything. Another major advantage is its price point. The Burn sits comfortably in the mid-range category, making it accessible for new players who want a high-quality racket without paying premium-tier prices. Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade from a basic entry-level frame, the Wilson Burn offers an appealing mix of comfort, performance, and value that will support your growth on the court. Specs: length, 27 inches. Weight, 9.7 ounces. Head size, 100 square in. Grip sizes, 4-inch 0, 41/8, 1, 41/4, 2, 43/8, 3.